welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, what's up? It's Fox like Karma, Karma the Fox, Cameo the Done, yada dum dada, however you want to know me. It is your girl. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be opening up our Boxycharm March base box. Let's get right into this video. If you guys would like to see what's in this box, keep on watching. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you guys haven't checked out my spoilers video, definitely check that out. I'll leave that in the description box below. I am super excited. I already feel like I'm going to be getting what I want, so let's go ahead and get this unboxing done. You guys can get the full glance. Also, excuse my nails, looking a little raggedy because I have to go and get me a new set. I can look in here and see I got everything that I wanted, so let's jump right into it. It's St. Patrick's Day, so they got us this cute little lucky themed paper here. So yeah, that's one thing. I am going to start with the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Hydrating Cream. You guys, let's just go ahead and open this up. It looks so this is just what it looks like. I'm going to actually bring it in for you guys. That looks so cute, so chic, so classy, so elegant. Love this packaging. So that retails for $39. We have the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. Again, you guys, I told you guys that I wanted this in my box and I had to have it. Glad it's in here. Now this retails for $22. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box. And this is just what it looks like. This is a really vibrant orange bottle. It's a plastic bottle. It definitely feels super cheap like. So I mean, that's a thing. I don't like that, but it's whatever. Let's actually spray some of this. Okay, smells really nice. It actually smells like a few of the setting sprays that I already have. Super excited to have this. I was just saying that I need to add a few more setting sprays to my collection. This is the Stephanie Botanical Glow Lip Mask, and this looks really cute, super chic, really classy. I love what that looks like. And I actually do need lip masks because I bite my lip pretty heavily and it's really a bad habit. So having lip mask and lip products in general that are hydrating are just things that I just, you know, have to have. Super cool with that. This is the Vizier Eye Primer, and I wasn't expecting this. I didn't even think this was anywhere in that video, the spoilers video that I showed you guys, but this is what it looks like here. Oh my gosh, my nail look a mess, but excuse. I like this. Very simple, chic little packaging. It almost looks like the Lorac Pro eye primer. So yes, I don't use eye primers that often, which is a good thing that I have this. Time to start trying and adding and building to my collection. And again, you guys, last but not least, we have the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette, and I was really looking forward to getting this palette. I'm not gonna lie, okay, it looks like something is broken though. It comes in this super thick plastic, so right, definitely looks like something is broken inside of there, because I really want you guys to see this before I open it up. But if you guys could see the powder dust, it's like purple powder dust right in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and run my fingers down here so you guys could see that is definitely something broken in here. Let's go ahead and open it. Please don't be broken. It is broke. Ah, wow, that sucks. Honestly, that's a bummer. I'm gonna keep the clear plastic on it so it doesn't waste everywhere. I'm really annoyed about that, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. So This is the one that is broken right here. It's kind of just all over the palette. This is the Venus 3 palette. This looks so beautiful. This is from Lime Crime. This retails for $38. The Stephanie Botanical retails for $25 and the Vizier retails for $24. So, and I really like this palette. I actually haven't even got around to using my I Love You Forever palette from my last Boxy video, so I definitely have to get on that so I can be showing you guys this. Let's actually go ahead and just do some swatches for this palette. So Rapture, this looks like a really cute pink iridescent shade. I'm just gonna swipe that right here. Then I am going to swatch Beam. Beam looks like a really pretty pink glitter shade. It's like so Beam is actually the iridescent shade, whereas the other one is more just like a pale pink color. And then let's just swatch one more. Let's do Bliss, because that looks interesting to me. And I'm just gonna swatch Bliss right here, girl. One side, and that looks so cute. I'm living for Bliss. I definitely love that color right there. So that is pretty much everything that I got in the Boxycharm base box for March. If you guys would like to see more of these videos, comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the game.